In this short video, I will show how to submit your YouTube tax form step by step. It is very simple. I just submit my application form. Okay, you can see the date 29 and it approved on the spot after submission. Okay, so first of all you need to open your Google AdSense account, then go to setting. Okay, manage information. You will see enter your information, so click add tax info. Okay, you will be directed to your account. You need to enter your Google AdSense account with your password. After that, if you belong to United States, you can enter individual or non-individual. You can choose accordingly. I'm using my Google AdSense account for my personal uses, so I will select this individual. Then they will ask you belong to United States or other country. So I'm not US resident, so I will select no. Okay, here this is a very important. You need to select W-E-N. For example, if you are not US citizen and you want to relax yourself from tax free, so you need to select this. Okay, here my name will appear. Then I need to select my country. Okay, here you can select, this is just information, you can browse, you can read. Okay, after that you can enter your address, the same address which you provide for Google AdSense account. Okay, this is my information. And okay, last I need to select next. Here they will ask again the text information, you can read it. Okay, you can select tick mark this and browse, select article 3 and paragraph 2. Okay, then you can select 0% reduced royalty rate. This is the information. If you select this, then your payment will be not, the tax will be not applied on your tax. Okay, and then I select this. Okay, with this option, tick mark this. Okay, then here you can see red box. A foreign TNT is required to claim tax treaty benefit. This message will be appear if you did some mistake in your first step. So how to overcome this? I need back. Okay, here in the first setting, here is one important option. You need to select that. In step 1, here it was mentioned foreign TNT. So in this field you need to enter your CNIC. Okay, if you did not provide this, so they will not allow you to go forward. Here you can enter your country resident information. Here I enter my CNIC. Okay, once I enter that, then I can enter next without any warning. Okay, then your information will be appear. You can read this and tick mark and next. Okay, this is an affidavit will be appear. You can enter your name. Okay, then you can select I am providing these two options. Okay, no, and this. Okay, then this is the final stage. You can submit your form. Okay, so when you submit it, it will take some time and it will be approved after a minute. Okay, this friend will be appear. At the end you can also check your email. A confirmation email will be sent to your register. Okay, so this was a short tutorial how to submit your tax information at YouTube for Google AdSense. If you are new at my channel, kindly subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.